See, when it comes to making money online, sweet, but when it comes to watching videos, it's always sweeter. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually earn money watching videos and getting paid in dollars. But before we proceed, my name is Esther and I teach people how to make money online. If you are new here and you want to be getting notifications for new videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and also smash the like button, and also leave a comment in the comment section. So let's dive into the video. So I'll be showing you how you can earn yourself $3 every day at least. And the first way to do so is by showing you how you can earn $1 for yourself by registering through the link in the video. So like, if you want to earn on this particular website, all what you have to do is to watch videos, watch the videos and then interact on this particular website. And it is an online platform that allow you to get rewarded for watching videos you love. And the name of the website is Ad Wallet. So all what you have to do here is just to watch videos and then you get rewarded for the videos you are watching. And another thing about this particular website is that you will receive a text when it is time to log in to watch short videos, and they will unpick it for you. Like, you get rewarded for every videos you watch. You can see earn a minimum of $0.50 and up to $3 per video interaction. Then you make money, earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer, plus download offers from brands you love. So when you reach $10, then you'll be able to cash out on this particular website. And they've already paid people up to $1 million and in their first 12 months. And it is very, very easy to get paid here by watching videos and then you complete online surveys. And these are the methods that they use to send money to their users. So you can actually choose e-gift card. You can actually get Amazon e-gift cards for yourself on this particular website. And this is what people are actually saying on Ad Wallet. See, you can see here from Angela. I think everybody should have this on their phone. The ads are all catered to my personality, and Ad Wallet introduced me to new companies in my area. You can actually earn money doing it by Kelvin. So like, they have brands that they've already worked for actually. So I want to let this video to be short. All what I want you to do is just to jump on this website and start making money for yourself. You can actually go through their FAQ here and then start earning money for yourself. But there are criteria for you to meet here before you can start earning money for yourself. But you can see here that how can I cash out the money I have earned? Okay, sweet. If you are ready to cash out, that means you have earned at least $10 in your Ad Wallet for paying attention. So congrats, cashing out is easy. Simply tap on the redeem button at the bottom of your Ad Wallet account. Choose from over 200 gift cards from American top brands, a MasterCard prepaid card that can be used wherever MasterCard is accepted, or even donate your funds to a non-profit organization. That if you really wish to donate your profits to them. So, and this Ad Wallet doesn't have app. It's only the web version that they provide. And what is the requirement for you to be able to earn on Ad Wallet? You must be 13 years old. Like, you must be 13 years old before you can start earning. You can see, yes, you must be 13 years or older to sign up for an Ad Wallet account and register with an active cell phone number and verified your email address. And these are the brands that are supporting Ad Wallet. We have Airbnb, we have Purple, we have DoorDash, and so on and so forth. You can see Ad Wallet is a direct to consumer marketing and research platform that rewards consumers for their time and their attention. So the payment method is very, very straightforward here, and Ad Wallet is an excellent site for you to get, and you start watching videos without even thinking maybe they will not send you your money or that, but you are going to get your money on this particular web. If you're in Nigeria, I want to give you a clue. kindly use a strong VPN before you can register on this site, because it is not available for Nigerians, but it is available for people that are outside Nigeria too. But if you are in Nigeria and you want to start using it, just get a strong VPN for yourself and register on this particular website. It is as simple as that. And if you are yet to join our Telegram community, please do so, where I share tips and tricks on how I earn money online that I don't post on YouTube. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group, you kindly check this video description and join us today to get airtime and cash and data giveaway. So I will do giveaway on that WhatsApp group. And if you want to learn more on how I earn money online, you can actually join on our WhatsApp group, and I will put the description in the link below. And if you want to learn how to raise money, kindly check the first comment of this video where I pin it into, and then you grab my first ebook I wrote on how I easily raised money when I really wanted money. It is actually free and it is on Seller, so check the link and then grab the book ASAP. So I will see you in my next video.